Greetings from Annant Gyan. I, Annant welcome you all at the wonderful learning platform of Annant Gyan Knowledge and Skills Private Limited. Today, I like to show you how the Vedic Mathematics that will be very much useful to get the answers quickly. So, I shall take some examples to show you the results. First of all, I shall take the numbers of series of 9 and we shall multiply that series of 9 with any number and we shall get the results quickly. So this is the 4-digit number and this is also 4-digit nines. So there are 4 nines are here and these 4-digit numbers that we shall multiply together and we shall get the answer quickly. Now what is the answer of this? I shall show you. So the first of all we shall reduce 1 from this number. So I shall write 5, 6, 3, 8 in the left hand side. Second, I shall subtract the individual digit of this left hand side from 9. So, and write in the right hand side. So, 9 minus 5, it is 4. I shall write 4 here. 9 minus 6, it is 3. 9 minus 3, that is 6. 9 minus 8, it is 1. This is the answer of this multiplication. So it is very easy to get the answer quickly with the help of Vedic Mathematics. The second question is, if number of nines, that there are more number of nines and the number having less number of digits, then that time what we shall do? There is the second question. Same question I shall take here. 5, 6, 3, 9 into 5 nines. And this time, what we shall do? So, in this particular case, we shall put 1 0 before this number and go through the same process. So, we shall reduce 1 from this number. So, this is 5, 0, 5, 6, 3, 8. So it is 0, 5, 3, 5, 6, 3, 8. I shall write here in the LHS. Then what is the RHS? So we shall subtract individual digit of this number from 9. So 9 minus 0, it is 9 minus 5, it is 4, 9 minus 6, it is 3, 9 minus 3, it is 6, 9 minus 8, it is 1. So, this is the answer. So, the finally answer we shall write here, 5, 6, 3, 8, 9, 4, 3, 6, 1. So, there is no need of this 0. So, it is very easy to multiply any number with series of 9. So the last one is, if the number having number of nines, they are less with the number of digits of second number. So this is the second case. So I shall take 3275 into 99. How I shall get the answer of this problem? So it is very easy to get the answer with the help of Vedic Mathematics. So this is 3275 into 100 minus 1. Actually 99, that is equal to 100 minus 1. So it becomes 327500 minus 3275. So we shall subtract this 3275 from this number and we shall get the answer. So it becomes 5, it becomes 9 minus 7, that is 2, and this is 4 minus 2 is 2, and 7 minus 3 is 4, and this is 2, and this is 3. So finally we shall get this answer. The second problem, if any number here we are talking about the series of 9, and now I am talking about the series of 1. If there are 1 and 1 that will be multiplied with this particular number, what we shall do in this? So here the last unit place of this number that will be multiplied with this one. So I shall write 9 here. And second, there are two number of ones are here. So we shall make pair of 2. So 9 plus 3, that is 12, we shall write 2 here, and 1 that will be carry for the next. 6 plus 3, it is 9, 9 plus 1, that is 10, so I shall write 0 here, and 5 or 6, 11, 11 plus 1, that is 12, so I shall write 2 here, and finally 5 into this 1, that is 5 plus 1, that is 6. I shall write 6. So this is the final answer of this 5639. So the next one is, if the number of ones there are 3, and what we shall do in this time? So this 9 that will be again multiplied with this 9. So I shall write last digit 9. And what we need to do here? There are 3 number of ones. So we shall start from this right hand side and we shall add these numbers together, and this 0 is not there. So 9 plus 3, that is 12. So I shall write 2 here and 1 that will be carried. And again 9 plus 3, that is 12 plus 6. So there are 3 numbers. So that's why I am making the pair of 3. So 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus this 1, that is 19. I shall write 9 here. And 1 that will be carried for next. So I shall write 1 here. And then the second pair of 3, that is 3, 6, 5. So we shall add these numbers. 6, 5, 11, 11 plus this 3, that is 14. 14 plus this 1, that is 15. I shall write 5 here. And 1 that will be carried for next. And again this 3 digit, we have added this 3 digit. Then we shall add this 2 digit. 6, 5, 11, 11 plus this 1, that is 12. I shall write 2 here. 1 that will be carried for the next. And finally we shall multiply this 5 into this 1, that is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So I shall write this answer. And this is the answer of multiplication of 4 digit numbers with 3 ones. So I think it is very simple to get the answers. So I like to show you the next example. 5 into 65. So what we are observing, this is 65 square. So if the number ending with 5 and having same 10th place or 100th place, then that time what we shall do to get the answers? So it is very simple to get the answer. So 65 into 65. So there are two steps to get this answer. The first step, we shall add 1 with the 10th place of this number. So 6 plus 1, that is 7. 7 into the 6, that is 42. So I shall write this 42 in the right hand side of the answer. The next one is, we shall multiply this both unit place numbers together and we shall write that in, this is left hand side of the answer, and here we shall write the right hand side of the answer. So 5 into 5, it is 25, we shall write 25. So finally we shall get the answer is 4225. Similarly, if the fourth one, 175 into 175. So number that will be ending with 5 and having same 10 and 100 place. Now, so on that time, what we shall do? We shall add 1 with the 10 and 100 place number. So 17 plus 1 into this 10th place number. And this is the left hand side of the result, and the right hand side we shall multiply 5 into 5 and we shall get the answer. So this is 17 plus 1, 18, 18 into 17, that is 306, and this is 5 into 5, that is 25. How we are getting this 306? We know very well, 17 into 17, 289, 289 plus that 17, that is 306. So finally we shall write this 306 here. So 330,625 is the answer of multiplication of 175 into 175. So it is very easy to get the answers. The second case, (64) into 66. This is the second case. Here the 10th place numbers having, and 10th place number are same numbers. So 6 and here also 6. But the unit place number having different value. First number it is 4 and second number it is 6. So, but this 4 plus this 6, it becomes 10. So in this particular case, also we shall go through the same procedure what we follow in multiplication of 65 into 65 and 175 into 175. So this is 64 and this is 66. What we shall do here? We shall add 1 with this number. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 into 6, that is 42. I shall write this 42 in the left hand side of the result. And similarly, we shall multiply both unit place numbers together. 6 into 4, that is 24. And we shall write this 24 in the right hand side of this. So the final answer is 4224. So 4224 is the value, multiplication value of 64 into 66. So it is very easy to get the answer. Similarly, 152 into 158. So here we are observing here. So this 15, that will be common in both, and the unit place, sum of the unit place 2 plus 8, that is equal to 10. So in this case also we shall go through the same process. 15 plus 1, that is 16. 16 into this 15, that is 240. I shall write 240 here. And 8 into 2, that is 16. I shall write 16 ones here in the right hand side of the answer. So this is the LHS and this is the RHS. Right. So this is 240 is 16 into 15. We know very well 15 into 15, that is 225. 225 plus 15, that is 240. We shall write this 240 in the LHS, and 8 into 2, that is 16. So I shall write this 16 here in the RHS, and finally we shall get the answer quickly. So these process, they are very much useful to get the answer very fast. Or I shall explain the next technique which will be very much useful to get the answer quickly. If the number is nearer than the power of 10 or the base values, then that time the multiplication will be very easy. So if I am taking this particular case, 998 into 857. So it is very easy to get the answer of these problems. We know very well this 998 is 2 less than 1000. So I shall write minus 2. And this 857, that is 143 less than 1000. So I shall write this. So my dear friends, here you can observe here this is the deficit value of 998 from the base value 1000. So this is 1000 minus 998, that is 2. So I shall write minus 2. If it is less, so we shall use minus sign. If it is more, we shall use plus sign. Then we shall follow one process. So cross subtraction that will be there. Either we shall subtract this particular number from this number, or we shall subtract from this number to this number. So 857 minus 2, it is very easy. So we shall get 855 here in the LHS of the result. And in RHS, we shall multiply these two numbers together. So deficit value that will be multiplied with each other. So 3 into 2, that is 6, 4 into 2, that is 8, and 1 into 2, that is 2. And minus into minus becomes plus. So finally we shall get 286 in the right hand side of the result. And the final answer, that is same 855 and 286. So it is very, very useful to get the answer quickly. If the both number is near than the base numbers like 10,000, 100, 10,000, like that, on that time we shall use this particular formula to get the answer quickly. The next trick I like to show you, that is Urdh Trigya Vyam. So in this Urtrigyabhyam, I shall explain that Urtrigyabhyam Sutra in our next video lecture. So thank you very much.